All right, let's get right into it. Now, this isn't going to be just another boring list of healthy foods. Today, we're really going to unpack the science behind why certain foods become so critical, especially after you hit 50. We're talking about longevity, but right down at the cellular level.
So let me start with a question. What if I told you that the key to aging more gracefully wasn't some complicated secret, but actually a single molecule that our bodies already make? A molecule we could actually support just by eating the right things. Well, that molecule is called NAD. And honestly, the best way to think about it is right here. NAD is like a rechargeable battery for your cells. It's the juice that powers literally everything. And most importantly, it powers the very genes that control how we age. But, and this is a big but, here's the catch. By the time we hit our middle years, our levels of this crucial NAD molecule can drop by a staggering 50%. Yeah, half. And that decline, it's a huge reason why the aging process can suddenly feel like it's speeding up. So, what do we do about it? How we fight back? Well, that brings us to our first deep dive. We've got to understand the connection between what are called our longevity genes, or Sirtuins, and the NAD fuel that turns them on. Let's just break it down really simply. Think of Sirtuins as these little engines inside you that protect your cells and fight off aging. But, an engine is useless without fuel, and that's exactly what NAD is. It's the high-octane gasoline. If you don't have enough NAD, those Sirtuin engines just won't run. It is that simple. Okay, so if NAD is the fuel we need, the obvious question is, how do we get more? The answer takes us to one of its most essential building blocks, niacin, which you probably know as vitamin B3. And the story of how we figured this out is actually this fascinating, almost forgotten piece of medical history. So way back in the late 1800s, there was this awful disease called pellagra, and it was everywhere. For the longest time, nobody knew what caused it, but they eventually noticed it was common in people who ate diets of almost nothing but corn. The real clue, though, came from looking at history. Ancient cultures who also relied on corn didn't get sick. And why not? Because they had this tradition of soaking the corn in lime water. That simple process unlocked the niacin, making it available to the body. It's just an amazing example of how critical this one nutrient really is. And look, its importance really can't be overstated. Listen to this quote from Dr. Adrian Hofer, who was a pioneer in this field. He said, "Many people have no idea how many illnesses are caused by too little niacin. No one realizes how many diseases can be cured with mega doses of niacin." I mean, that really hammers it home, right? We're not just talking about feeling a little bit better. This is a nutrient that can fundamentally change our health. So the takeaway is clear. We need niacin to build our precious NAD. So where do we get it? This brings us to the good stuff, the most direct and powerful foods you can eat to start rebuilding those levels. Now hold on, because this is where a lot of common advice gets it wrong. If you were to just ask a generic AI, what's the top source of niacin, it would probably tell you chicken. But the scientific reality, the undisputed champions, the real powerhouses, are beef liver and grass-fed red meat. It's not even close. So let's make this super simple. Here's your shopping list. Beef liver is at the absolute top. Grass-fed red meat is a fantastic second choice. And hey, if you're looking for a great plant-based option, nutritional yeast is a powerhouse, absolutely packed with B vitamins. But wait, getting enough niacin directly is only part of the strategy. Other foods can actually help the whole process along in different ways. And that takes us to our next category, probiotics and some really powerful plants that help your body boost NAD. First up, fermented foods like sauerkraut and a good quality yogurt. These support your gut, and a healthy gut is crucial for absorbing all these nutrients. Then you've got simple greens like parsley and celery, and you can't forget about the incredible power of something called sulforaphane. It's a compound you find in veggies like broccoli sprouts, and it actually sends a signal to your body to make more of its own NAD. How cool is that? Next on the list, let's talk about color. You know all those vibrant colors you see in fruits and vegetables? They're not just there to look pretty. They are literal signals for powerful antioxidant compounds that play a huge role in this whole longevity plan. This strategy couldn't be simpler, but it is so effective. Eat the rainbow. Seriously, every different color represents a whole different family of protective compounds. So the more variety you get on your plate, the wider the net of support you're giving your cells to boost that NAD. So here's a quick checklist to keep in mind. You want to look for those deep purples and blues from something called anthocyanins. You'll find those in blueberries and purple cabbage. You want that vibrant yellow from curcumin, which comes from turmeric, amazing for fighting inflammation. And don't look past the humble onion. It's packed with another key antioxidant called quercetin.
All right, we have covered niacin, we've covered probiotics, and colorful plants. The final piece of our puzzle is all about getting the right kind of fats. These are absolutely essential for keeping inflammation down, and inflammation is a major, major driver of aging.
We are, of course, talking about omega-3 fatty acids. You'll find these in things like wild-caught salmon and other fatty fish. A fantastic source is also cod liver. And what's great about cod liver is you get this incredible bonus of super high levels of vitamins A and D, two other nutrients that are critical for aging well.
So let's just pull this all together for a second. This right here, this is your complete longevity toolkit. For that core niacin, you've got beef liver. For probiotics, think sauerkraut. For those powerful antioxidants, grab blueberries and onions. And for those essential fats, salmon and cod liver. See, each one has a unique and vital job to do. And there you have it, a deep dive into the foods that literally fuel your longevity genes. Your toolkit is officially full. So the only question left is, when you look at this list, what's the first thing you're going to add to your plate?